In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HeroFX to TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker.com and then you want to click on Start Trading up top right. Over here, between the two options, you want to click on Broker Trading and then find the broker down here. And when you are in here, you want to look for HeroFX, which should be somewhere over here on the list, also with a free demo. So you can just go ahead and search for it if you want to, or just find it, and then you want to click on that. And then what this is going to do, it is basically going to direct you over here. Now, it may require you to sign in when you first do this, so if it does, basically just put in some of your info, your email, and then you'll be able to sign in very easily. And then go ahead and once you are directed over here to the HeroFX site, you can go ahead and click on register, you can create your account, or of course you can just log into your account if you have an existing one already. After you do that, you'll be able to basically get into your account, which looks like this over here. You want to go to the Accounts tab at the left hand side over here, gonna be the second tab, and then you want to either open your live account, so you can of course verify your account and create a live one, or what you can do is you can also open up a demo account. For this instance, I'm gonna open up a demo one, so you want to click on demo or live, of course. And then here you can select if you want to create a TradeLocker Demo 0 or TradeLocker Demo Raw account. So this is completely up to you. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to do, let's say 0. And then after you do that, you want to basically click on this agreement to open an account and press Create Account. And within just a few seconds, you'll be provided some information. So as you can see over here, your account has been created successfully. Go ahead and exit this, and then you can go ahead and you can go to accounts again. And then over here, you should be able to see your demo accounts down here at the very bottom, as you can see. Now, this is currently your demo account for TradeLocker. And then whenever you click on that, it's going to basically start loading, and then there we go. So over here, currently the balance is 0. First, you're going to have to top up, so you can type in the amount you want. So for example, I'm going to do 10K like this, and then you want to do deposit. And since this is a demo account, it's going to automatically deposit on the funds like that, as you can see. Now here, this is basically your login and then your server and then your password. So if you want to go ahead and start trading, you can click on trade over here, and it's going to basically open up the terminal in the new tab. But basically, it's going to be this platform, which is live.tradelocker.com. Now, make sure you know that if you are on the demo account, so if you want to actually sign into a demo account like me, over here, this is actually not going to be the correct one because you have to switch to demo or go to demo.tradelocker.com, which means this one is going to be the right one. So it's going to be essentially the demo.tradelocker.com, where you have to put in the email, the password, and then the server. So the server is going to be the HeroFX down here at the bottom. The password can be changed whatever, so you can basically just essentially you can just type whatever you want in here. But if you know your password that you signed up with, it's going to be that specific password, and then the login is going to be this thing over here. You can also use the email like that up here. Now you can go ahead and then just basically type everything in. There we go, like this, and then the server is like that. You want to press login, and if it gives you that, if it gives you the wrong email, password, and server combination, if that happens to you, what you should do is you want to go to your account, to your email, because sometimes you cannot use your email and password over here. Sometimes it's working for me and sometimes it's not. So if that's not working, make sure you check your email, because inside your email you'll be able to find your basically your email and then your password and then your server as well. So the server for me is going to be the HeroFX. I just copied in the password I got in my email, and then after you are ready with that, you can go ahead and press login, and that's for sure going to work in case the first method did not. Okay, so again, it's a bit different if you have a password over here. If you've changed it to something else, it may just work well, but if you actually haven't changed it to anything, you can go ahead and use the one inside your email, and that's what's going to work. And as you can see over here, I'm now signed into my account, and I've successfully connected HeroFX to TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.